Hi, my name is Liam, aka Liam the Plumber. Today I'm going to be installing a full bathroom using Fischer's products. Next, what we're going to do is put this bathroom cabinet above this basin on this wall. Everyone has their own individual ways of doing things. This works for me. So what I'm going to do is I know this grout line is center line of my basin. So of course that's where I want the center of the cabinet to be. So what I'm going to do is mark a center line from this grout line somewhere roughly on that wall just up there. So now I've drawn the center line on this wall, I now need to determine the height of this cabinet from my tile trim here. So I know I want my cabinet to be 100 mil from this tile trim to the bottom of the unit. I then need to work out how far from the bottom of the cabinet to where the brackets are. And in this case, for this cabinet I've got here, it's 550 mil. So from this line here, this tile trim, it's gonna be 650 from here up. I'm just gonna make a little mark on my center line there. I'm then gonna work out how far apart my brackets are gonna be. On this cabinet here, you can see my fixing points here, and these fit onto 2 brackets on this wall here. So now I've got the height of my unit, I now need to work out the distance for my brackets. So for this unit here, I'm gonna get my internal measurement, which is 560. Divide that by 2, which is 280. I'm gonna measure 280 either side of that line, and that'll give me the points for the brackets. So now I've got my marks on the wall. I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line across, so I know my brackets are level, and therefore the cabinet, when it goes on, in theory is level, but it will need some adjustment. And now what I'm gonna do is mark out for these 2 brackets on these marks. So the edge of the bracket will line up on the outer mark there, and top of bracket will sit on that horizontal line there. So to fit this cabinet to this wall, bear in mind it's a plasterboard wall, I'm gonna be using Fischer's DuoTec. Now, me personally, I've had great experience with this product before. I've hung boilers, radiators, you name it, off of these fixings. These fixings are my go-to fixing for anything in plasterboard. So with these, DuoTec 10, it's a 10 mil hole. So that's exactly what I'm gonna drill for these brackets. I've got 4 of these to install, and with these, you need to be using either, or anything from a 4.5 to a 5 mil screw. So a little tip of mine when drilling into plasterboard is always have something to catch the dust. I've just installed this basin, so I don't want any of that plasterboard dust going over my fresh work. So I always recommend using this to catch as much dust as you can. So this is the Fischer DuoTec 10. It's my go-to and trusted plasterboard fixing. I've drilled a 10 mil hole up here for this cabinet to fix to the wall. The way these work is fold over on the arrow like so, like that. Insert into the wall, little wiggle, and then feed all the way in, and then pull all the way back so you know the fixing is engaged. Then slide this collar in to the hole, make sure it's tight, snap off, like that. So now all 4 DuoTecs are installed. We're now ready to fix our brackets to the wall. So I always start them off with a power tool to start with, and then I finish them with a screwdriver, and you'll feel them pull and bite and get tighter. There's a Worcester down in Crawley, just on the wall with 8 of these, a combi as well. Never coming off the wall, ever. First time I tried them, I was thinking, really? But yeah, like this, honestly, nothing ever moves. Ready now to fit our cabinet to these brackets and adjust it to get it level. So, cabinet goes up, just like so, drop it down, and then we'll grab one level there, we'll grab another one there, grab screwdriver, and we'll just adjust these in here to get this cabinet now level. So the cabinet is now on the wall, it's level. We're now gonna fit the doors, adjust the doors now, so our shut gap is nice and symmetrical. So doors are on, adjusted, but I need a cloth. Can someone pass me a cloth, please? Thank you very much. So there you have it. Bathroom cabinet now fitted to the wall using Fischer DuoTec 10s. This cabinet is never going to come off the wall. It will hold an uber amount of weight. Cabinet is now done and it finishes off the bathroom so well.
Thank you very much for watching. I'm Liam the Plumber. This has been How To using Fisher Fixings.